Today, I'm going to show you a super simple method to create realistic AI influencers. And the best part is, you can do it completely for free. So without any delay, let's jump straight into it. First, we need a base image or model. Instead of using something complicated, we'll create our own. For that, open Pinterest. You'll find tons of influencer-style images there. Pick any model you like and download the image. Now head over to Lowered AI. They provide 30 free credits every day, which is more than enough for us. Click on the plus icon, then select Image Generator. Upload the image you downloaded, choose Nano Banana Pro, set the resolution to 2K, and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Next, paste the prompt, you'll find it in the description, and click on Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI influencer is ready. You can customize and use it however you want. Now let's bring this influencer to life with motion. She can dance, lip sync, or recreate any movement you like. For this step, go back to Pinterest and find a video whose motion you want to copy. Download that video by copying the link and pasting it into a video downloader. Once you have the video, open a frame extractor tool. Upload the video, set the frame number to 1, and extract the frame. Download that image. After that, return to Lowered AI and open the image generator again. Upload 2 images this time, your AI influencer image and the extracted frame from the video. In the prompt, mention that image 2 should match the pose and outfit of image 1. Keep the resolution at 2K, aspect ratio 3:4, and click on Create. Now you'll have the final styled image. Download it.
Next, go to Higgsfield AI.
Which offers 3 free generations. Just open Motion Control, upload your influencer image and the reference video, then click on Generate. The result is another high-quality animated AI influencer. So go ahead and start creating your own realistic AI influencers for free using this method.